One person knows? Two people know? I can wait longer than you guys. It's up at the top of the page. I'm not asking a difficult question. What is the generic formula at the top of the page? Abby? Good. What does the M represent? Okay, we were told that the slope-intercept form gives us two things, slope and the y-intercept. Which one is M? Raise your hand. Shelby. Slope. So up above M, I want you to write slope. So therefore, what is the B? Y-intercept. So write y-intercept above the B. Now with your highlighter, I want you to highlight the M and only the M. In the first equation, raise your hand if you can tell me what the slope is. Aubrey? 2/3. So highlight 2/3. How about the second equation? What is the slope? Josie, what's my slope in the second one? -1/2. Highlight -1/2. Now exchange your highlighter with somebody at your table. Okay, highlight the B up top. That is our y-intercept. What is the y-intercept in the first equation? Jacob, what would our y-intercept be in the first equation? -2, so highlight -2. What is our y-intercept in the second equation, Sahara? 4. Highlight 4. Okay, you can put your highlighters away now. That's all you needed them for. This is going to give you step-by-step on how to graph in slope-intercept form. So step number 1 says plot the y-intercept. What was our y-intercept again?
B.
It's our B, which is -2. What's the coordinate point for that? What? 0, -2, because it's on the y-axis. So we're going to plot the point 0, -2. So I go to 0 and I go down 2. So that is step 1. Questions about step 1? Josie, do you have a question? Okay. Number 2, use the slope as your direction. What is your slope? 2/3. So M equals 2/3. What does that mean, though? What does the 2/3 mean?
Division.
No? Not in slope.
Oh.
Michaela? No? What is slope? Huh? It's the rise over run. So I rise 2, so I'm going to go up 2. And then it's a +3, so do I go right or left? Right. 3. Okay, so if I start at the point 0, 2, I go up 2, 1, 2, and right 3, 1, 2, 3. Put a point. From that point, I do the same thing. I rise 2, 1, 2, run 3, 1, 2, 3. So you should have a point at 0, -2, 3, 0, and 6, 2. Because from 3, 0, I rose 2, ran 3. So you just keep doing it. Is there another way I could get 2/3 as my slope besides going up 2 and right 3? How else could I get 2/3 from my slope besides rising 2 and running 3? How do you get from this point to this point? Do I go up or down? You go down, how many?
2.
So go down 2, and then do I go right or left?
Left.
Left 3. Isn't down 2 a negative? So negative 2 over negative 3, does that still equal a positive 2/3? Yes. So if you start at our original problem, 0, negative 2, I could go down 2 and left 3 and put a point, and then do the same thing, go down 2 and left 3 and put a point. So now I have points negative 3, negative 4, and negative 6, negative 6. Then you connect your line. So down 2, left 3 is the same thing as up 2, right 3. Okay, our second example. Plot the y-intercept. What is our y-intercept? Addie, what's our y-intercept for the second one?
Negative.
Y-intercept. Is M or B your y-intercept? M is your slope. B is your y-intercept. So what is your y-intercept? 4. What is the coordinate points that would be? DJ?
0, 4.
0, 4. So we plot that point. Go up 4. What's your slope? Carter, what's your slope? Negative 1/2. Okay, you could put the negative on top, or you could put the negative on bottom, but you only have one negative sign, therefore it can either go on top or bottom. It's not both. So if I put it on top, that tells me to go down 1 and right 2. Or if I put it on bottom, I could go up 1 and left 2. Okay? So from my point 0, 4, I could do the first one, go down 1, right 1, 2, down 1, right 1, 2. So then I'd have a point at 2, 3, and 4, 2. Or I could start at 0, 4 and go up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. So then I have a point at negative 2, 5, and negative 4, 6. And then I can connect my line. Questions on graphing and slope-intercept form? Michaela?